Okay, we have another subtraction video. This one is subtraction, keeping a constant difference. And when we keep a constant difference, we change both numbers in the expression by the same amount. This helps us make friendlier numbers. This method is more advanced than most other methods we have already tried and should be used by children with great number fluency. So if we have 156 minus 36, we will want to add or subtract the factors, so add or subtract factors from each number in the expression. That keeps the expression balanced. So if we were to add, add up or subtract down, we still want to make a friendly number, and a friendly number in this case would to automatically try to make a 10. So if we add 4 to 36, we will get 40. But we cannot just add a 4 to the 36. We also have to add 4 to the 156 to make 160. And these two expressions or equations or expressions are equal. They are equivalent. So if we have 156 minus 36, and we add 4 to each number, then we have 160 minus 40, and those are equivalent now. So if we bring the zeros down, 6 minus 4 equals 2, and then we bring the 1 down. This is 120. So 156 minus 36 equals 120. If we were to try this with a different problem, we can try 378 minus 53. And to make a friendly number, we can start with what is closer to make a 10, or which number looks like it'll be easier to make a 10. So 378 is only 2 away from 380. So if we add a 2, we have to add a 2 down here. So now we have 380, and we have 55, because 53 plus 2 equals 55. And then, if I was to borrow, I can add again, and I think that would be easier, so we don't have to borrow. So if I add a 5 to make 55, 60, and then I have to add a 5 up top, they have to stay constant, I will get 385 subtracted by 60, and now I do not have to borrow. So 5 minus 0 is 5, 8 minus 6 is 2, and then 3 minus, and 3, we just bring the 3 down. So 378 minus 53 equals 325. And 380 minus 55 is equal to 385 minus 60, which is still 325. And then we can try one more problem. We can do 98. We can do 98 minus 33. We can add 2 to get 100, and then we have to add 2 to 33 to get 55, but oh well, so 35. I don't know why I sent that out. Okay, 35. But it looks like we have to borrow, because we don't want to take 0 away from 5, we will get a negative, or 0 away from 3, or 3 away from 0. We'll get a negative, so we can keep a constant difference again. If we add 5 to 35, we will get 40, and we have to add 5 up top, and we will get 105. So now 5 minus 0 is 5, and then this together, so 10 minus 4 is 6. So now we have 105 minus 40 equals 65, and then 100 minus 35 is 65, and then 98 minus 33, the original problem, is also 65.